Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another DR.ÖTEK metal detector and I'm at a local park. So what I'm going to be doing is putting it together, seeing how it works. So let's get into the video. So this kit comes with a nice little carry bag that you can stick your metal detector in. It just links and you can fold it up and stick it inside. And then it also comes with a little edge digger that's nice high quality metal. And it comes with a little strap. And last of all, it comes with a little rain cover that you can use to put on your metal detector so you don't get it wet. Anyways, let's get our metal detector and start metal detecting, see what all we can find. Let's go. Well, I've been metal detecting here at the little playground for about 30 minutes now, and I didn't find really anything. I found one dime and basically a few pull tabs and some other pieces of metal. So what I'm going to do next is go down to a creek and go along there, and hopefully I find a bunch of lures and stuff like that. So let's go. So there's a little creek right here, and the grass is kind of tall, but I'm just gonna go look for stuff and see what else I can find right here on the bank. Well, I guess I didn't find much here. I just found another piece of metal and another little dime. Last time I was here, I found like a ton of lures, so I was hoping I'd find a few more, but I didn't find any, so I'll move on to another location. Okay, well, there's a little creek down here, and I'm just gonna go look in the creek and see what I can find. I may not find anything, but it's worth a try. Well, sadly, I didn't find a whole lot at the park and the playground and the creek. I went over here by the stadiums and didn't find much either, sadly, but hopefully I'll go to another location and see what we can find there. Let's go. Well, here I am at a beach at Lake El Reno. Anyways, I've been metal detecting for a while now and I didn't find much, just as usual, just a few coins and some trash. Anyways, you can feel free to subscribe right over there and watch my unboxing video right down here. Next time, have a good day.